This is All India Radio Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarthi. In Assam, the Election Commission of India team will hold a review meeting with Deputy Commissioners and Superintendents of Police of Lower Assam and Barak Valley in Guwahati today to review poll preparedness ahead of the assembly polls to be held soon this year. Last night, the team reviewed the poll preparedness with the DCs and SPs of Upper Assam at Dibrugarh. The Chief Electoral Officer of Assam was present in the review meeting. The team discussed at length the poll preparedness in Upper Assam districts. They will also meet the Chief Secretary and other senior Assam officials to take stock of the poll preparedness. In Manipur, the state government has prepared all steps for the COVID-19 vaccination campaign, which will start nationwide on the 16th of this month. Speaking to AIR News, Manipur Health Director Dr. K Raju said the department has identified 246 COVID-19 vaccination sites so far. The 138 sites are government primary health centers, community health centers, district hospitals, sub-district hospitals, urban health centers and health and wellness centers. The remaining sites are private health clinics. In the first phase of vaccination, around 43,000 health workers will be given the vaccines through 967 vaccinators. 126 cold chain points have been identified to store the Covaxin and Covishield vaccines. The Manipur government has already conducted dry run exercise in 2 phases as part of the vaccination campaign. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma said that the government is assisting entrepreneurs and businesses through easy access to credits, and various business plans are being made through the Prime Startup Hub to support food processing units. Sangma in a tweet informed that from initiating the CM support program for MSMEs to support new small businesses with Mudra loans, the state government has launched many initiatives to support the skilled and entrepreneurial youth of the state. BJP National President J Nadda yesterday said that only the BJP can safeguard the rights and interests of the people of Assam. Addressing Vijay Sankalp Samavesh at Silchar Police Parade Ground, Mr. Nadda said the BJP has been standing behind people of Assam since inception, and that's why it was only BJP that raised the issue of Assam agitation inside and outside Parliament through its leader late Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He also claimed that the BJP-led government have taken a number of steps towards protection of social, cultural, political and economic interests of the state. AICC leader in charge Meghalaya, Manish Chatrath, yesterday ruled out the demand for change of Meghalaya PCC president. Dismissing reports of rumblings within the Congress, Mr. Chatrath, after his meeting with Congress MLAs last night, said that the government of the day has to function for 5 years, and when elections come, the people will decide and Congress will come back to power. The Congress has 19 MLAs and sits in the opposition. He said that coming and going is part of politics and it is not a big issue for the party. The AICC in charge is on a 2-day visit to Meghalaya, and he will meet state Congress leaders besides office bearers of parties' frontal organizations in Shillong today. Nagaland reported 9 fresh cases of COVID-19 yesterday, taking the total case load to 11,987. Health and Family Welfare S. Pangyu Form informed that 16 positive patients have also recovered. With this, the total recovered cases in the state stands at 11,655 besides 107 active cases. In Manipur, 33 persons, including 7 personnel of the Central Armed Police Force, were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases and 46 persons were discharged. The recovery rate improved to 97.06%. Manipur recorded a total of 27,851 recovered and discharged cases, while the number of active cases is 477. The total number of positive cases is 28,693. So far, 365 people have died due to the pandemic. Meghalaya reported 20 new COVID cases and 24 people have recovered. The number of active cases is 151, while a total of 13,337 people have recovered in the state. The death toll is 143. The state has registered a total of 13,630 confirmed COVID-19 cases. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.